Good morning, peeps. In this morning blog session, I'd like to talk about the separation and division I'm seeing in society, and the fear, mostly propagated by my cell phone and my television. And is this the real truth? Well, once you're grounded and you look into your own heart, you'll see that there's more peace than fear. The ones that want war are destructive, and the separation we create is not following nature. As Joe Dispenza said this morning, 7 trillion cells in your body communicate all the time, and the ones that aren't communicating, they get sent down extra energies to break through and join the communication. They communicate with each other, all of them. Maybe we should look at nature and do the same. This is Kip at Channeling the Org. Channeling the Org. Channeling the Light.org. Cheers.